what is finally here, my wireless doorbell camera. It lasts 180 days off of one charge, no batteries, it's wireless, two-way talking feature, and it has an alarm. Just opened it up. I thought I was gonna need a drill to install, but it's super easy installation. Peel this off, stick it to your door, and that's it. Let's go put it up. The setup on the phone is really easy. You can even customize different ringtones. You get 32 gigabytes of storage without a monthly fee. You can also see how clear the quality is.